I'm entering another ranked coding contest. This is Leetcode's Weekly Contest 471. It starts in less than 30 seconds, holy. I got here in the nick of time. So last time we got 5,000th place.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just...
Not even close to any of the prizes. Goal today is still get one problem right. I will try my best. There's 5 seconds left. There's 10,000, 17,000 people doing. Okay, let's go. Sum of elements with frequency divisible by k. So basically in this problem, you're given an integer array and a integer k, and you're trying to return the sum of all the integers whose frequency is divisible by k. So for example, 2 appears twice, that's divisible by k. So you add up all the 2's. 3 appears 4 times, 4 is divisible by 2. So you add up all the 3's that appears in the array. I see. Okay. Can we like iterate through the array and then I guess count up all the frequencies of all the integer first? So maybe we have some sort of dictionary like that stores, okay, 1 appears 1 time, 2 appears 2 times, 3 appears 4 times, and then 4 appears 1 time. Yeah. And then we can iterate through the values, the key value pairs of the dictionary and be like, okay, for each value, is it divisible by k? If the value modulo k is equal to 0, then we add to our running sum the key times its frequency. So this would be O of n time. That should be pretty good, right? Frequencies is equal to an empty dictionary for now. Cum sum is equal to 0 for now. For every num in nums. Ooh, how do you do a default value in a dictionary in Python? Dict.get key comma default. So frequencies num is equal to the current whatever we stored in the dictionary frequency dot get num default to 0 plus 1. Yeah, and then after this we iterate for every key and value in the dictionary for every num comma frequency in nums. So if frequency modulo k is equal to 0, cum sum plus equals num times frequency, and then you return cum sum. I keep forgetting my return statements. Return cum sum. Let's try this out. Cannot access local variable frequency where it is not associated with a value. What? Oh, type the name wrong. Oh, this is wrong too. This is freaks. Run. Cannot unpack non-iterable int object. What? I don't understand. How do you iterate through key value parent dictionary? Am I not doing this right? Or, oh, my dict.items. Okay, frequencies.items. Oh, okay, we can check our answers now. We got it, boys, we got it. I think we're good. Let's submit this. Let's go! Let's go! Runtime in 0 milliseconds. That has to be good, right? Let's freaking go! Next problem. Longest balanced string 1. Medium problem. We're given a string like A, B, B, A, C, and we have to return the length of the longest substring where all letters appear the same number of times. For example, in this one, the substring will be A, B, B, A because A and B both appear 2 times, and this has a length of 4. So the problem is, how the heck do we do this? I think we need to track the frequency of each letter somehow. Should we do this with some sort of dictionary? Like A at some point would be 2, B at some point would be 2, and then we can be like, oh, all the values are the same. That means we have an answer here, and then we can return the length of one of these, I guess. Is this a recursion thing? Maybe I have I and J, right? Which represent the start and end of my current letter, you know? So maybe I and J both start at 0 at first. And then at every recursion frame, I have 2 options, right? I can either move J forward, you know, or just I forward. Like literally trying every single substring. Is that the way to go? Is there any chance that we can memorize this? Let's say we start at f of ij is equal to 0, 0, and then we check, right? Are all the counts in our dictionary the same? If yes, then I guess we have an answer. I guess we can then open up our recursion frames like f of like 0, 1, and then what happens when we see that we have all the characters of the same counts? The solution can be make the current one, comma, the max of these. Oh, I see it. And you can only use the current one if all the counts are the same. I believe this is n squared time because it's the equivalent of doing like for every single I and everything after it, what's the best solution, you know? So we're gonna need a helper function for this. Helper. So we have self and the string, and then we have ij. I should be an int, j should be an int. We return an int. Oh, we also need to store a dictionary, huh? Oh man, counts? Ooh, is this really the right way to do it? I'm getting kind of uneasy with all the variables I'm putting in the picture. Count is equal to dict string, comma, int. Is there a convenient way to check if all the values in the dictionary are the same? Of non-zero values. What is this? So we can do counts here. Put everything into a set, and then if the length of all the counts in a set is less than or equal to 1, then all the counts are the same. If all the counts are the same, where did myself go in OBS? Okay, I'm back. So if all counts are the same, we can take into account the current length of ij then, right? So my length, meaning the current word, is equal to j minus I plus 1 maybe, if all the counts are the same. Else we can do float negative infinity, so it doesn't get captured by the max thing. And then else we can do some recursive calls. So we can do self.helper. We input the same string, and then I plus 1, j is the same, and then counts has to reflect I plus 1. Ooh, okay. You know what? I'll worry about that later. I want to get the main idea across first. And then we have two more things. I plus 1, j plus 1, increment both at the same time, and then I stays the same, j plus 1 counts. Those are all our options, right? I don't know, this seems really complicated. Increment I is equal to that, increment ij is equal to this, increment just j is equal to this, and then in the end, we return the max of my length, increment I, increment ij, and then increment j. Actually, I don't need this, do I? This one? Because if I do j and then in the next frame add I plus 1, then it's the same as this. I'll get to it eventually. So this is not needed. Okay, so I just have to take care of the dictionary updates here. So character at I is equal to si, character j is equal to sj. We should remove I. Counts I is equal to counts I minus 1. How to remove a key from a dictionary in Python? Python remove dictionary key. Use the deletion keyword. Delete. That's how you do it? Really? I never seen this before. Or pop. I think I like pop better. So if counts I is equal to 0, then counts.pop I. Yeah, and then after this, we have to put it back, right? To count increment j. Counts I is equal to counts.get I default to 0 plus 1. Yeah, I have to increment j before I call it recursively this frame. Counts.get j default to 0 plus 1. And then in the actual function here, we can probably just call self.helper with s, the string, I equals 0, j equals 0. Counts is equal to a new dictionary. That's empty. Okay, let's run this thing. Object is not subscriptable. Counts. Oh, they think it's a set? What? Man, this code is getting so complicated. Okay, let's go. We got the right answer! We got the right answer! 4, 4, 2. Okay, we're getting the right answer now. Okay, we have some hope here. I have to leave in literally like 2 minutes, but we have some hope here. Can we literally add like a add cache here? I don't know. Unhashable type? What? Now it's not working? Oh no, we're so screwed. Oh no. Attempting to use a dictionary as an argument to a cache function to make sure everything is hashable. Okay, a fix would probably be to convert this dictionary into like an int array probably, but I don't have time for that. I have to leave in like 2 minutes. Well, we can still have some fun by submitting and seeing the error message. It's definitely gonna be time limit exceeded. No! Well, we did pass 327, which is something. Wait, there might be a fix for this. What if we don't pass this into the dict here? Counts is equal to like this thing. But what if I do like self counts? Hey, there we go, it works. Now what happens if I cache this? Oh, it works, there we go. Submit. Please, work. I'm begging you. I don't have any more time. No, it didn't work. No! Oh, we got further though. 983. Can we use LRU cache? I feel this is definitely not the most optimal solution, is it? It feels so hacky. Please, Leetcode. No, we still got a little bit further. Time limit exceeded. No. Should we push this? This feels like such a dumb solution. 128, 200. Imagine if it all just came down to how big this LRU cache is. That would be so stupid. Did we improve? Time limit exceeded. What about 400? Shit. This is not good Leetcoding, children. Don't copy me. I'm like a fish out of water, flailing in despair, even though there will probably be no happy ending. Oh, we got 20 more test cases. 800. 977. You know what? Let's go all the way. Let's go 2,000. 4,000. Your voice is similar to top SWE. Who the heck is top SWE? Top SWE.
Do you want to be a software engineer at Google? I was rank 1 globally on Leetcode.
Well, see, this is how you can tell I'm not him. I'm not ranked number 1. As oh, we solved it. We solved it. Yo, we got 2 problems right. Dang, it really just came down to the size of the cache. Jesus, I can't believe it. This is so stupid. The runtime is horrible. Wow. We got it. This solution is so stupid. It really just came down to the cache settings. I hate Python so much. We got it. LRU cache, whoa. Okay, I really have to go now. I'm like late for my late night D&D with friends. I really have to go. But hey, we got 2 problems. That's a win. Thanks everyone for coming. I for sure have to review how to do this problem correctly. Bye. See y'all. What a ridiculous solve.